Hi, my name's Marielle,
Mail.
and my degree is for secondary ed master's program.
Hey,
Um,
Maria went to go to school.
I am originally from New York. I moved here about like 12 years ago. We had 12 in November, 12 years, and now I live in Allentown, Pennsylvania. What are some hobbies? I like to bake. I really love baking. I have like a small little business where I do like cake pops, chocolate covered strawberries, all those kinds of things. I'm taking this course because it is one of those courses that I need for my for the program that I'm in. Anything else that I would like for you to know? Um, I have a son. This is my son. Say hi.
Hi.
And then I'm also a twin. I work as a TSS with kids that have autism. I really enjoy my job a lot. It's very rewarding, and I'm excited to find out what this class is about and to learn the things that we will be learning in the class. So, you have a good night, guys. Bye.
Okay,
Say bye.
Bye.